यहाँ पर हम सीखने वाले हैं प्रॉब्लम सेट क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. प्रॉब्लम नंबर 6 is a boy standing at a distance of 48 meter from the building observes the top of building and makes an angle of elevation of 30 degree. Find the height of building, and root 3's value is given 1.73. So first let assume this line as a building and a boy is standing at 48 meter, that is position C. This AB is the building, so building makes a 90 degree with ground, and this is the line of vision. So boy is looking at the top of building with 30 degree elevation. So his BC is 48 meter. Let's assume let AB equal to height of building that we have to find. C is the position of boy, that is observer. Therefore BC equal to 48 meter. Angle of elevation theta equal to 30 degree. So we know that we have to find opposite side and adjacent is given. Therefore tangent theta equal to oppo upon adjacent, that is AB upon BC. So tangent 30 is equal to AB is unknown, BC is 48. Tangent 30 is nothing but from the table its value is 1 by root 3 equal to AB upon 48. So therefore we can by cross multiplication AB is equal to 48 upon root 3. So rationalize the root 3 denominator. So we get AB equal to 48 root 3 upon 3. So 3 ones are 16, 3s are. So AB is 16 root 3, that is 16 into root 3 means 16 into root 3 means 1.73. the value is given. Therefore AB is equal to 27.68 meter. Hence we can write the answer height of building equal to 27.68 meter. So this is our problem number 6. Problem number 7 is from the top of lighthouse an observer looks at the ship and finds the angle of depression to be 30 degree. If the height of lighthouse is 100 meter, then find how far the ship is from the lighthouse. So it's simple one. Let's assume this line AB is the lighthouse and C is the position of ship. This is line of vision. This is horizontal line. AM is horizontal line. So as per given, so observer look at the ship C with angle of depression 30 degree. Angle B is 90 degree. Height of lighthouse is 100 meter. So let's assume let C is equal to position of sheep from lighthouse AB equal to height of lighthouse equal to 100 meters, angle B equal to 90 degree, therefore BC equal to distance of sheep from lighthouse. So angle of depression that is equal to angle MAC equal to 30 degree, and we know that horizontal line is parallel to ground, that is AM parallel to and AM, horizontal line parallel to ground BC, therefore angle ACB is equal to angle AMAC equal to 30 degree by alternate angle. These are alternate angle. So now in triangle ABC we have opposite side and we have to find adjacent side. So best trigonometric ratio is tangent ratio. So we know that tangent 30 is equal to oppo is AB upon adjacent is BC. Tangent 30 is 1 upon root 3 equal to AB is 100 upon BC. So BC is equal to, by cross multiplication, BC is equal to 100 root 3, that is equal to 100 into 1.73. If it is not given, please mention let's root 3 is equal to 1.73. So in this way we can find actual measurement of BC, that is equal to 173 meter. So therefore distance of sheep from lighthouse is 173 meter. This is all about problem number 7. Problem number 8 is two buildings are in front of each other on a road of width 15 meter. From the top of first building having a height of 12 meter. So first building's height is 12 meter. The angle of elevation of the top of second building is 30 degree. When we look at second building's top, the angle of elevation is 30 degree. What is the height of second building? So we have to find the height of second building. First we will draw the figure in this situation. So this is second building, that is AB, and this is first building, that is CD, and this BD is the width of road, that is 15 meter. Height of first building is 12 meter. When we look at the top of second building, the angle of elevation is 30 degree with horizontal line like this. So draw a horizontal line CE on AB, perpendicular to AB and parallel to BD. So in this way we get a quadrilateral ABCD. So CD equal to BE, that is 12 meter. This BD is congruent to EC, that is 15 meter, as this quadrilateral BDCE is a rectangle. So let's write it. Let AB equal to height of second building, that we have to find. CD equal to height of first building equal to 12 meters. BD is equal to width of road equal to 15 meters, angle of elevation equal to theta equal to angle ACE equal to 30 degree. This is 30 degree. So let's draw EC perpendicular to AB and EC parallel to BD. Therefore, this CD quadrilateral BDCE is a rectangle. So we can say that this DE is equal to CD equal to 12 meter and EC equal to BD equal to 15 meters, and let AE equal to X meter. So in triangle AEC, angle AEC equal to 90 degree, angle ACE equal to 30 degree, and we have to find AE when EC is 15. So therefore best suitable trigonometric ratio is tangent ratio. So tangent 30 equal to AE upon EC. So tangent 30 is 1 by root 3 from the table. AE is X, EC is 15. So X equal to 15 upon root 3. Rationalize the denominator. So multiply, divide by root 3. We get X equal to 15 root 3 upon 3. So 3 ones are and 3 5s are. So X is equal to 5 root 3. That means we can take 5 into 1.73. If root 3's value is not given, mention it. Root 3 is equal to 1.73, that you have considered. So X is equal to 8.65. But we know that complete height of second building AB is equal to AE plus B. So AE is 8.65, that is X, plus B is 12 meter, so it is 20.65 meter is the height of AB. This much is the height of second building. So we can write therefore height of second building equal to AB equal to 20.65 meter. This is all about problem number 8. Problem number 9 is a ladder on the platform of a fire brigade van can be elevated at an angle of 70 degree to the maximum, and the length of the ladder can be extended up to 20 meters maximum. If the platform is 2 meter above the ground, so this is height of van, that is platform of ladder 2 meter above the ground. Find the maximum height of the ground up to which the ladder can reach. So we have to find the height up to which ladder can reach. So I will draw the figure. So let let's, this AB is the height up to which ladder can reach. This CD is the height of fan, that is 2 meter. The length of ladder is up to 20 meters, maximum it can raise, and the angle of elevation of ladder is 70° maximum. So first draw EC perpendicular on AB and B is perpendicular. So let's assume all the data. Let AB equal to height at which maximum ladder can reach. This height we have to find. Then AC is equal to length of ladder. Length of ladder, that is maximum length of ladder, 20 meters. Angle AC is equal to angle of elevation, that is equal to theta equal to 70°. CD equal to height of ladder from ground. Draw EC perpendicular to AB and EC parallel to BD. Therefore, quadrilateral BDCE is a rectangle. Hence, BE equal to CD equal to 2 meters and EC equal to BD. So, we have to find this AE as X and this is we have 2 meters. This BE as 2 meter. So in the figure, from figure, best suitable triangle in triangle AEC, angle AEC equal to 90°, angle ACE equal to 70°. So best suitable is sine ratio, sine 70 equal to oppo, that is AE upon EC. So sine 70 is given as 0.94 equal to AE is X and EC, that is not EC, that is AC is 20 meter, hypotenuse upon opposite upon hypotenuse. So X is equal to 0.94 into 20 meters. So X is equal to, we get 18.8 meter. But we know that AB equal to AE plus BE. So that is 18.8 plus B is 2 meter. So it is 20.80 meter. So maximum, therefore we can say that maximum height of the other end of ladder from ground can be 20.80 meters. So this is all about problem number 9. Problem number 10 is, while landing at an airport, a pilot made an angle of depression of 20 degree. average speed of plane was 200 km per hour. The plane reached the ground after 54 seconds. Find the height at which the plane was when it started landing. Means we have to find the height of the plane when it started landing. So this height we have to find. So the A is the position of plane when it started landing, C is the position of airport, and 20 degrees the angle of depression. So this line AB represent horizontal line, DC is the ground level. So these are parallels. So let's assume the given data or the data shown in figure. So let A equal to position of aeroplane, AB is the horizontal line, C is the position of airport, and angle BAC equal to angle of depression made by pilot. So therefore AB parallel to horizontal line, parallel to ground. Therefore we can say that angle ACD is equal to angle BAC equal to 20 degree alternate angle. So in triangle ADC, angle ADC equal to 90 degree, angle ACD equal to 20 degree. Then first to find height AD we have to first find AC as speed of plane equal to 200 km per hour is given and time is given as 54 seconds. So we know that distance is equal to speed into time. So speed is 200 km per hour into time is 54 seconds. Here observe speed is given in hours and time in second. So we will convert 54 meters. So this is not kilometer per hour. Yes, this is kilometer per hour. So this is kilometer per hour. So we have to convert it in meter and hour to seconds. So 200 divided by 3600 and to convert kilometer to meter multiply by 1000. So by dividing 3600 we convert this hour in seconds and by multiplying 1000 to numerator we convert this kilometer in meter and 54 seconds. Now the speed is in meter per second and the time is also in meter per second. So we can reduce it. So 2 ones are 2, 18s are, so 18 ones are 18 threes are. So we get 1000 into 3, that is distance AC equal to 3000 meter. So now in the figure we get this distance as 3000 meter. So while landing this plane travel 3000 meter. So now we have in triangle ADC hypotenuse as 3000 meters, so we can find AD by using sine ratio. So best suitable ratio is sine ratio. Therefore we know that sin 20 equal to AD upon AC. Sin 20 is given as 0.342 equal to, AD is unknown and AC is 3000. So by simplification, AD equal to 3000 multiplied by 0.342. So we get 3 into point and decimal point and zeros get cancelled, 342. So AD equal to we get 1026 meter. So lastly we can write, therefore the plane was 1026 meter high from the ground at the time of landing. So in this way we have completed the problem number 10, and this is the end of chapter 6 trigonometry. Thank you.